Hi viewers, today we are going to see divisibility test of numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First of all, we will see divisibility of a number by 2. Divisibility of a number can be tested by dividing the given number by 2. Suppose we want to test divisibility of a number by 2 using rule, then rule says a number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Let us discuss some problems in the exercise. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers to test divisibility by 2. First of all, consider the number 258. By rule, a number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here this number is ending with 8. So definitely by this rule, this number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. We can test divisibility of a number by 2 by actual division. So, if in actual division, if the remainder is 0, when you divide 258 by 2, if remainder is 0, then 258 is divisible by 2. Let us check that also. 258 divided by 2. So out of 2 will go one time. So 2, remainder is 0, 2 minus 2 0. So 5 comes down by division method. Out of 5, 2 will go 2 times. So 2 into 2, 4. Then remainder is 1. Then this 8 will come down, 18. Out of 18, 2 will go 9 times. So 2 into 9, 18. Remainder is 0. So this number is divisible by 2. By checking this by long division method, we understood 258 is divisible by 2. By rule also, this number is divisible by 2 because it ends with 8. Like this, we can test all the other numbers. 459, 459, 459, 459 is a number ending with 9. So if it ends with 9, by rule, a number is divisible if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is not divisible by 2. So this number is divisible, this number is not divisible. And what is the next number? 236. 236. This 258 is divisible. 236 is divisible because number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 6. So this is divisible. So this also divisible. Now 2248. 2248. This number ends with 8. So this also divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this number is divisible by 2. The last number is 5, 6, 1. This number is ending with 1. So by rule a number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is ending with 1. So it is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. First number 258 is ending with 8. So it is also divisible by 2. This is the divisibility test by 2. So I think you have understood this exercise. Now we will go to divisibility test by 3. Divisibility test by number 3. Now see, according to the rule, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. This is the rule. Let us discuss some problems in the exercise. In this problem 2583, what are the digits? The problem is 2583. In this number digits are 2, 5, 8 and 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Here we will find sum of all the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. This is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 3, 18. So this number, sum of all the digits of the number is 18. You know, 18 is divisible by 3 because 18 is equal to 3 into 6. 18 is divisible by 18 is exactly divisible by 3. That is, quotient is 6. 3 into 6 equal to 8. So this number is divisible by 3. By rule, a number is divisible by 3 if sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now let us discuss one more problem in this exercise, that is 459. 459. And in this number, what are the digits? In this number, what are the digits? 459. What are the digits? Here in this number, digits are 4, 5 and 9. And we will add the digits. 4 plus 5 plus 9. This number is equal to 4 plus 5, 9 plus 9, 18. So you know 18 is divisible by 3. So quotient is 6. So 18 is divisible by 3, that is quotient is 6. 3 into 6 equal to 8. So this, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now let us discuss one more problem. in that cell. What is the third problem? That is 2361. 2361. The digits are 2, 3, 6 and 1. So sum of the digits 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1, that is equal to 5. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 12. So this is 12. So 12 divided by 3. Exactly the quotient is 4. So 12 is divisible by 3. So by rule, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Let us discuss one more problem. Here that is 2248. Here digits are 2, 2, 4, 8. So we will add the digits, sum of all the digits we will find. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Here the total sum of all the digits 4, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3 exactly. So 16 is not divisible by 3. So this is not divisible by 3. So this problem is not divisible by 3. So we can check like this. This problem is that is 5561. What are the digits? 5, 5, 6, 1. We will find sum of the digits. 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. That is answer is 10, 70. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So this is also not divisible. Divisibility test by 4. Let us discuss divisibility test of a number by 4. By rule, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Let us discuss some problems in the exercise. First problem is 2584, the 2584. So we will discuss 2584. And what are the digits? 2, 5, 8, 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. What are the last two digits? That is 8 and 4. If 84 is divisible by 4, then number is divisible. So we will divide 84, 8, 4, and this number is test the divisibility by 4. So we can apply long division. This is 4. This quotient is 2. 2 into 4, 8. So remainder is 0. This 4 comes down. So 1. 1 into 4, 4. So the remainder is 0. So this 84 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. According to the rule, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Let us discuss the second problem, 456. 456. The number is 456. 456, the last two digits is 56. So 56 is divisible by 4. The number is divisible by 4. That is the rule. So we will discuss whether it is divisible or not. Then 4. Out of 5, 4 will go in one time. So 5 minus 4, 1. So 6 down. Then 16 is out of 16, 4 times. So it is 16. Remainder is 0. That means 56, last two digits 5 and 6. 56 is the number formed by the last two digits of the number. That 56 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible. Now let us discuss third problem, that is 2364. So you know 2364, last two digits 6 and 4. So the number formed by the last two digits 64. You know 64 is divisible by 4. So if you divide by 4, this out of 6, 4 will go one time. Then 2, 24. Out of 24, 4 will go 6 times. So 24. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So remainder is 0. That means 64 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Now let us discuss next problem, that is 2248. What are the last two digits? 4 and 8. So number formed by the last two digits is 48. So check 48 is divisible by 4. So divide, actual division. So divided by 4. So out of 4, this 4 will go one time. So 4 will do. Then remainder is 4 minus 4, 0. 8 divided by 4 2 times. Out of 8, 4 will go 2 times. So this is 8. So remainder is 0. So 48 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. This number also divisible by 4. Now we will see last number is 5561. In this number, last two digits are 6 and 1. So number formed by the last two digits is 61. We will check whether 61 is divisible by 4 or not. So 4. Out of 6, 4 will go one time. So 4. Remainder is 2. 6 minus 1 down. Out of 21, 4 will go 5 times. That is 20. So remainder is 1, not 0. That means 61 is not divisible by 4. So according to the rule, this number is not divisible by 4. Now let us go to divisibility test by 5. Now we will study divisibility test by 5. Now, what is the rule? What is the rule to test divisibility of a number by 5? A number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 5 or 0. This is a very simple rule. If a number ends with 5 or 0, then number is divisible by 5. So we will check some problems in the exercise. First problem is 2585. 585. In this number, what is the last digit? Last digit is 5. That means the number ends with 5. So, according to the rule of division, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 5 or 0. So, this number is ending with 5. 2585 ends with 5. So, this number is divisible by 5. This is very easy rule. Now, we will check the next number. In the next number is, this is 450. 450 ends with 0. So, definitely according to the rule, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 5 or 0. This number is divisible by 5. So, this number is divisible. This number is divisible by 5. Now, we will let us go through 2365. 2365. This is the number in the exercise. 2360. This number ends with 5. So this number is divisible by 5 by the rule. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 5 or 0. So this number is divisible by 5. What about next two problems in the exercise? 2243. 2243. This number ends with 3. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 5 or 0. So this number is ending with 3. So this number is not divisible by 5. This number is not divisible by 5. What about the next number? That is 5561. This number is ending with digit 1. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 5 or 0. So this number ends with 1. So this number is also not divisible by 5. So now we will check divisibility problems by 6. We have already seen divisibility test by 5. Now we will learn the divisibility test by 6. First of all, you understand the rule. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and by 3. So let us discuss some problems in the exercise. The first problem is 3000, 504. 3504. 3504. In this number, last digit is 4. That means number ends with 4. So this number is divisible by 2. You know the rule of divisibility by 2. If a number is ending with 2, 0, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, the number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility by 3. So find the sum of all the digits. 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4. The sum of the digits is equal to 8, 12. So you know 12 is divisible by 3. 12 by 3 equal to 4. So 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. So 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. So that means 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then number is divisible by 6. So this problem 3504 is divisible by 6. Now let us go to the next problem. The next problem is 570. Now 570 is ending with 0. If a number is ending with 0, then according to the rule of divisibility by 2, this number is divisible by 2. Now let us discuss divisibility test by 3. We will find sum of the digits. 5 plus 7 plus 0. That also equal to 5 plus 12. So this number also divisible by 3. So 570 is divisible by 3. According to the rule, if a number is divisible by 2 and by 3, the number is divisible by 6. So this number also divisible by 6. Now let us go to next problem, that is 2100, 2190, and this number ends with 0. So according to the rule of divisibility by 2, this number is divisible by 2. Now let us check the divisibility of this number by 3. So here we have to find sum of the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0. This is equal to 12. So this number also divisible by 3. So the given number 2190 is divisible by 3. According to the rule, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and by 3. So this number also divisible by 6. Now let us discuss next problem, 944. This number is ending with 4. So this number is definitely divisible by 2 according to the rule of divisibility by 2. Now let us find the divisibility of this number by 3. See, sum of the digits we have to find. 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 10. 9 plus 1, 10, 14, 18. You know 18 is divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3. You know what is 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. So this number is divisible by 3 also. So the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So according to the rule, number is divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 6. Now let us go to last problem, the exercise 5561. This number ends with 1. So this number is not divisible by 2. This number is not divisible by 2. So this number is not divisible by 6, because a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. So we have understood divisibility test by 6. Now we will go to divisibility test by 7. We have already seen divisibility test by 6. Now we will learn the divisibility test by 7. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 7 if the result obtained by subtracting the double of the last digit from the remaining number without the last digit is divisible by 7. Let us discuss some problems in the exercise. So in this exercise, the first problem is 660. That is 660. This number is 660. What is the last digit of 660? 6. So you double that 6, that is equal to 12, and subtract from the remaining number without this last digit, that is subtract from 61. You have to subtract 12 from 61. We will subtract 61 from 12. We have to subtract. So 61 minus 12. This 1 minus 2 is not possible. So we will take 1 from 6. So this will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Now this number is 6 is 5, because 1 already taken. 5 minus 1, 4. So 49. 49 is divisible by 7. You know 49 is divisible by 7. 49 by 7 is equal to 7. So that number is this result obtained by subtracting the double of the last digit is 12 from the remaining number without last digit, 61. 61 minus 12 equal to 14. 49 is divisible by 7. So the number is divisible by 7. This number is divisible by 7. Let us discuss the second problem, 4,000. That number is 851. And what is the last digit here? In this number is last digit is 1. So double it. Double is 2. Now subtract from remaining number without the last digit, that is 485. So you will minus it. You have to minus. Then answer is 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 8. 4. So this is 483. If this is divisible by 7, then number is divisible by 7. If we can repeat the process with this number, because to test divisibility by 7 we are applying this rule. So this, to test divisibility of 483 we can apply the rule again. So what is the double of 6? Double of 6, double of 3, double of 3 is 6. Then subtract this number 48 from subtract 6 from 48. So we will subtract 48. So what is the answer? 8 minus 2. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. And then we are subtract, that is 4. Now 42, we got answer 42. 42 is divided by 7, that is equal to 6. So 42 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. So in this way we can apply this rule repeatedly to test the divisibility by 7. Now we will discuss 6,000. We will discuss next problem, that is 6,895. What is the double of I? Double of I is 10. Then subtract 10 from 689. So we will get 976. So we can test divisibility of this number by 7 again, applying the rule. So what is the double of 9 is 18. So subtract 18 from 67. We have to subtract. So what is the answer? 7. Here 7 minus 8 is not possible. We will take 1 from 670, that is 9. And here 5. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So you know 49. 49 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Now we will go to next problem in the exercise, that is 6,699. In this number last digit is 9. So we will take double of 9 is 18. Then subtract 18 from 669. That means last digit is removed. So we will get 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Then 651 is. To test divisibility of this by 7, again we apply the rule. So double of 1 is 2. And subtract 2 from 65. That is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Then 6. You know 63 is divisible by 7. That is, so this number is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Now let us go to the next last problem. Last problem is 5,561. 5,561. What is double of 1? Double of 1 is 2. Then we will subtract 2 from 556. 556. Subtract. That is 4. 6 minus 2. 5. 5. So to test divisibility of this 5 by 4 by 7, we apply the rule again. That is 4 double is 8. Subtract 8 from 55. So what is 55? That is 15. Here we will take 1 from 5. That is 15 minus 8, 7. Then 47. 47 is not divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. So this is not divisible by 7. So this 47 is not divisible by 7. So the last digit is not divisible by 7. 5561 is not divisible by 7. So we have understood divisibility test by 7.
We have seen divisibility test by 7. Let us learn divisibility test by 8. What is the rule? A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Let us discuss some problems in the exercise. Here first number is 7. What is the first number? That is 7,707. 7,700 is 7,000. What is the first number? That is called 7,720. This number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible. Last 3 digits is 720. If 720 is divisible by 8, then number is divisible by 8. Here 720, we will apply by long division method. 720 divided by 8 is 7. First number 7 is not divisible by 8. So we will take 72. 72 9 times. 72 9 times. That is 72 9 times. So remainder is 0. So it will come down. 0 will come down. So 90. 0 90. So this number is divisible by 8. Let us discuss second problem. Second problem is 7,704. Here last 3 digits is 704. So we will check divisibility by 704 divided by 8. In this division 7 not divisible by 8. Then 70. 70 is how many times? 70. Out of 70 we have 8 times. That means 8 multiplied by 64. Then remainder is here 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Out of 64, 8, again 8 times. So 64. That is 64. So remainder is 0. That means this last 3 digits, 704, number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Let us discuss next problem, that is 6992. Here number formed by the last three digits is 992. 992 divided by 8. The rule is number is divisible by 8 if number formed by last three digits is divisible by 8. So we will check. Here out of 9 one time 8, remainder is 1, then 9 will come down, that is 2 times. Out of 19, 8 2 times 16, then 3 remainder, 2 will come down, 32. Out of 32, 8 4 times, that is 32. The remainder is 0. So the number formed by last three digits of the number is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Now let us discuss next problem is 792. Here only three digits are there, so we have to take three digits together and test by long division. 392, that is divisible by 8, that is 77, not possible. 79 is 9 times, so 9 times means 9 8 72. So 9 times 9 8 72, so remainder is 7. So 72, again 72, 9 times, so 72. So this number, subtraction 0 remainder, so this number is divisible by 8. What about the last digit, last number in the exercise, that is 5561. So last three digits, number formed by last three digits is 560. If number is divisible by 8, if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8, so 561 divisible by 8, testing. We are testing the 5, not possible. 56 7 times, so 7 times means 56, 7 56 7 times, that is 56. 7 into 8, 56, remainder is 0, so 1 comes down, so 1 is not divisible. So this is means the number is, we have to add 0, so the decimal will come, then it is 1 time 8 2, that means this number is not divisible exactly. So actually this number is not divisible by 8, therefore this number is not divisible by 8. So we have seen divisibility test by 8. Now we will see the divisibility test by 9. We have seen divisibility of numbers by 8. Now we will see divisibility of numbers by 9. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Let us see some problems in the exercise. First problem is 504. 504. In this number we will see sum of the digits. 5 plus 0 plus 4 equal to 9. So if sum of all the digits of number is divisible by 9, number is divisible. So this number is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So first problem, 504 is divisible by 9. Let us go to second problem. Second problem is 8046. 8046. Here sum of the digits, we will find sum of the digits 8 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6. Here sum of 8 plus 4, 12, 6, 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. 18 by 9 is 2. That means 18 is exactly divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9 because a number is divisible by 9 if sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 9. So this is divisible by 9. Now let us discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is 768. The sum of the digits 7 plus 6 plus 8. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 8, 21. 21 is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Now let us go to next problem, that is 2248. 2248. Here we will find sum of digits of the number. If it is divisible, sum is divisible by 9, the number is divisible. 2 plus 2, sum of the digits 4 plus 8. Here 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. This number is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Let us discuss the last problem, that is 6993. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then number is divisible by 9. So 6, sum of the digits we will find 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 9, 24 plus 3, 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. The result is 3. So 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So we have understood how to test divisibility of numbers by 9. Next we will see divisibility of numbers by 10. We have already seen divisibility of a number by 9. Let us learn divisibility test by 10. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. Let us discuss some problems in the exercise. The first problem is 25,830. This is the first problem, 830. This number is divisible by 10 by the rule because last digit is 0. Last digit 0, this number is divisible by 10. The first number is divisible by 10. Now we will discuss second problem, that is 4595. This number is not divisible by 10 by rule, because last digit is not 0. So last digit is here 5. So if the last digit is 0, then number is divisible by 10. So this number is not divisible by 10. Now what about third problem, that is 23,610. This number is divisible by 10 because last digit is 0. Last digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Now fourth problem, 22,480. This number is divisible by 10 by the rule because last digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 10. Now last problem in the exercise is 5,561. The last digit is 1. So if the last digit is 0, the number is divisible by 10. If the last digit is 0, the number is divisible by 10. Here last digit is 1, so it is not divisible. Last digit is, so you have understood the rule of divisibility by 10. Now we will learn divisibility test by 11. We have already seen divisibility test by 10. Let us learn divisibility test by 11. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits in odd positions and the sum of the digits in even positions from left to right is divisible by 11. That we will do some problems in the exercise. That is, first problem is 1089. In this, some positions are there, digits are 1, 0, 8, 9. So this digit is in odd position, this digit is in even position, this digit is in odd position, this digit is in even position. So sum of the digits in odd position, that is 1 plus 8, that equal to 9. Sum of the digits in odd position. Now sum of the digits in even position, that is 0 and 9. 0 and 9, that is equal to 9. What is the difference? 9 minus 9. By the rule, difference between sum of digits in odd position and sum of the digits in even position from left to right is divisible by 11. So 0 is divisible by any number. So 0 is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Now let us discuss second problem. The second problem, that number is 5,390. Here this is in first position, this is odd position, this is even position, this is odd position, this is even position. Now we will take sum of the digits 5 plus 9, that is equal to 14, and sum of the digits on odd positions, even positions, that is 3 plus 0, that is equal to 3. Now what is the difference between sum of the digits in odd positions and sum of the digits in even position? That is 14 minus 3, that is 11. You know 11 is divisible by 11. So this digit is divisible by 11. And let us discuss the third problem. Third problem is 10,875, and here this is first odd position, this is even position, this is odd position, this is even position, and this is odd position. So we will add numbers on odd position. 1 plus 8 odd position digits, 8 plus 5, these are digits in odd position, that is equal to 8 plus 9, 14. Now even position numbers are 0 plus 7, 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, that is 14 difference, 14 minus 7 difference between sum of digits in odd position and sum of digits in even position, that equal to 7. If this number is divisible by 11, the number is divisible by 11, the given number is divisible by 11, but this number 7 is not divisible by 11, so this number is not divisible by 11. Let us go to next problem, that is 7, 2, 3, 8, and here this is odd position, this is even position, this is odd position, and this is even position. First of all, add digits in odd position. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Add digits in even position. 2 plus 8, that is even positions, that is equal to 10. Difference between this sum of digits in odd position and sum of digits in even position, that is 10 minus 10, that equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 11, so this digit is divisible by, this number is divisible by 11, this number is divisible by 11. Now let us discuss last problem, that is 5,561. Here odd position, even position, odd position, even position. Here odd position numbers or odd position digits are 5 and 6, so 5 plus 6 all digits sum equal to 11, and even digits, even position digits are 5 and 1, 5 plus 1, that is also 6, so 6, so 11 minus 6 equal to 5. This is not divisible by 11, so this number is not divisible by 11, this number is not divisible by 11. So we have seen divisibility test of numbers by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think you have understood the divisibility test. Thank you.